everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Jaclyn Cosmetics lip lacquers. If you do want to see a review and a demo, then please keep watching. As a huge favor, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment anything down below. I greatly appreciate it. I read all the comments and I will do my best to reply back. Jaclyn recently had 20% off of any 3 products on her website. I picked up 4 of the lip lacquers, 1 of the new Shimmer top coats, and then I also picked up this lip treatment. The first thing I want to try out is this lip prep set. This retails for $29 on her website. I do want to read a little bit about this lip duo. Pamper your lips with prepped and polished lip scrub, a creamy vanilla mint scent scrub. Infused with mother of pearl to gently exfoliate, this luxe treatment leaves lips soft and smooth with a nourishing glow. The superfine mother of pearl dust is a natural physical exfoliant that helps gently remove dead skin cells and cleanse, while a rich creamy texture envelopes lips for a perfect smooth pout. The next product in the set is called the Hydro Pout lip treatment. This is the one that I was super excited for. Hydro Pout is a silky cushiony lip treatment perfect for prepping lips for pout spoken liquid lipstick, with ingredients like vitamin E, a natural conditioner, shea and cocoa butter, rich in fatty acids that protect lips, and sodium hyaluronate, known to retain moisture. This blend of emollients help keep lips hydrated, soothed, and smooth. And with a refreshing mint scent and soft glossy finish, this lip treatment wears beautifully alone. Here's a closer look at what the packaging looks like. It says Jaclyn Cosmetics. Then you have a picture of lip scrub and then the lip treatment. On the back of the packaging you have a little description and then you have the ingredients on the bottom. There's nothing at the very top. And at the bottom of the packaging next to the barcode, this states that this has a 12-month shelf life. Here's a closer look on what the packaging looks like for the lip scrub. It says Jaclyn on it. On the bottom of the packaging it says lip scrub exfoliant. Here's what the inside of the container looks like. It does have a bit of a peppermint scent. I'm not going to be using this lip exfoliant today on camera. I already exfoliated my lips last night. Here's a closer look on what the lip treatment looks like. It says Jaclyn on it. Again, on the back it states this has a 12-month shelf life. On the tube it says you get 8.5 milliliters of product or 0.29 fluid ounces. Here's what the applicator looks like. Let's swatch it. Here's the lip treatment. Ooh, this does have a bit of a peppermint scent too. It smells good. I like the formula of the lip treatment. It feels very lightweight on the lips. Now let's move on to lip glosses. Each lip gloss retails for $18. I do want to read a little bit about these lip glosses. A kissable pout for a snowed in Holidate. Jaclyn Hill's lip lacquers are like her signature liquid lipsticks and a gloss in one smooth swipe. A blend of jojoba seed, avocado, and olive oil to visibly smooth and soften lips. Get the high impact pigment she's known for with a gorgeous high shine finish that looks as delicious as a holiday cookie. Here's a closer look on what the packaging looks like. It says Jaclyn Cosmetics. On the bottom of the packaging it says lip lacquer. You get 4.4 milliliters or 0.15 fluid ounces of product. On the side of the packaging here it says Jaclyn Cosmetics as well. On the other side of the packaging you have a little description, and then on the back of the packaging you have the list of ingredients. On the bottom of the packaging the states this has a 12-month shelf life. On top of the packaging is a shade name. This shade is called Cookies. Here's what the tube looks like. It says Jaclyn on it. Have a little peek of what the shade looks like. Here's what the doe foot applicator looks like. I love the scent. It smells very sweet. Cookies is described as a glazed beige shade. So pretty. I evened out that swatch a little bit. I do want to show you what the liquid lipstick looks like compared to the lip gloss. Here's what those two look like side by side. Liquid lipstick is a little bit taller than the lip gloss, but this is a little bit thicker in the tube. This shade is pretty. I just don't like the formula. It feels very sticky. I'm going to press my lips together so you guys can see what I'm talking about. If the formula is a little bit too stringy, it ends up on my teeth. At the moment, I'm not a huge fan of this formula, but let's see what the next shade looks like. The next shade is called Ginger. I do also want to mention, as I pull this out of the tube, can you guys see how sticky this formula is? I'm not sure if my camera is going to pick it up. Ginger is described as a glazed spice. This shade is gorgeous. Now Jaclyn needs to come out with this shade in a liquid lipstick. The next shade is called Cider. On the bottom of the packaging is a shade name as well. Cider is described as a glazed sienna. Another beautiful shade. This shade is so pretty. The last shade is called Gumdrop. Gumdrop is described as a glazed rose. So pretty. Here's what all 4 shades look like swatched on the back of my hand. This shade is pretty as well. Now I want to see what the shimmer top coat looks like. This retails for $26 on Jaclyn's website. These products are also available at Ulta Beauty. I'll link everything down below if you guys are interested. I do want to read a little bit about the shimmer top coat. Evoke the spirit of a snow queen with Jaclyn Hill's glaze over shimmer top coat. For a cold snap of wintry sheen, this buildable water-based shadow can top off any look with a subtle sparkle or full-on glassy sheen like a forest lake frozen over. Here's a closer look at what the packaging looks like. It says Jaclyn. Up at the very top is the shade name. I got mine in the shade Glisten. You get 6.5 grams of product or 0.23 ounces. On the back of the packaging you have the ingredients. Down at the bottom you have the barcode. This has a 6-month shelf life. On this side there's a little description. On the other side there isn't anything. Let's see what the shade in Glisten looks like. I love the frosted glass. Up at the top it says Jaclyn. Down at the bottom this has the shade name in Glisten. Here's what the inside looks like. Let's swatch this. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this top coat on my eyelid. It's not super pigmented as I was expecting it to be. I have a little bit more on my finger. I'm gonna see if we can build this up. There we go, that's much better. I have a little bit more on my finger. I'm gonna do a 3rd layer. Now that is beautiful. Taking a little bit more of the product. I'll do 1 coat on this side so you can see what I'm talking about. It's a very sheer product, but it is buildable. I'm gonna close my eyes so you guys can see what I'm talking about. On this side I applied 1 coat and on this side I applied 3 coats. This product is buildable, which I like. I'm gonna apply 2 more coats so that we're all evened out. Here's what everything looks like. I like the shimmer top coat in the shade Glisten. I just wish it was a little bit more pigmented. I removed the shade in Gumdrop. I'm gonna apply the shade in Ginger. My final thoughts on these lip lacquers is that I like the shades, I just don't like the formula. The formula feels very thick and goopy on my lips. I will be wearing this shade in Ginger throughout my entire day, and I will leave below in the description box how it does wear. Hopefully in the future, Jaclyn comes out with these shades in her liquid lipstick formula and her lip liners. I also really did like this lip treatment, and I'll keep you guys updated about the lip scrub exfoliant. If you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.